Barry?
How's it, brother?
Final round today, yeah?
Final round. Lovely. Been doing a lot of work here at Chestnut Hill. Guys have been putting a lot of effort in. Had some good starts and good races so far. Sort of setting the tone for next year. What guys can, look for us. We're going to be out there, red plates all around.
Oh, that's good, eh? So we're out now at heat 2, eh? Second heat going out now.
Second heat going out. Track's looking pretty gnarly. A bit dusty, but as I said, our starts have been good. So head from the front, no dust involved.
Good day today?
Very good day. We've got good weather. Can have some good racing. It's our last national, so a lot of things up for grabs. And yeah, exciting. Can't wait till the end of the day to see how the results turn out.